so this is the this would be the front of the tedder right here, obviously the input shaft. So this is the what we call the left inner. It has a dimple right here. That's the timing mark. We put that on the bottom. It's always going to match up with a wing. A dimple on the bottom of the wing. You can see right here. This will match up with the timing mark on the other finger drive when it gets put together. And on the left side, we have these two holes right here. It's split. So on the left side, these two holes should be even. If you draw a line in between here, the holes will be split even on each side. So that has to be true while this is also true. If you spin it like this, one turn, this is right, but in here, this is way off. It needs to be exactly split. So I'm gonna spin this again. It's still not right. If I spin it 3 times, it should come back into time. Now it's split. That's true for the 4102, not the 46X or any of the X series. Those are different. On the right side, we got the same situation. We got the dimple on the bottom, except on the right side, the hole should line up exactly instead of a split. If it's already together and you still can't figure out the timing, it might be because this was bolted on and this finger was slid on the shaft in the wrong orientation with the gearbox. So to fix that, you would have to take off these 3 bolts and the 3 on the other side. You have to take off all 6 bolts. Pull the whole casting off with the finger drive, and retime, get this in the right timing, and make sure that so to get this in the right timing, you would have a split, and then the flat part of the hex shaft needs to be parallel to the ground as well. So when the finger drive has a hex bore on it, this dimple lines up exactly to the flat of the hex, one of the flats. And that can be seen in here a little bit. If I get this so that is flat right there, is lined up. You can see it on here. Flat. It's parallel to the bottom here. On the wings, this is the left wing. So on the left wing, your guard is going to be towards the front of the tedder, so this flips around. This is the left side. It's going to be split on this side. Timing mark down below. Timing mark is always going to be on the bottom. Same for over here. This is the right wing. So on the right wing, lines up with a hole. So the main goal is so that these tines don't whack each other. If you put it together, this would be how it should look. That's the front of the tedder, so this is the right side. At the dimple on the bottom, the arm's sticking straight out. Dimple right there on this one, and if we go to the other side, this is left side. It's gonna be dimple in the bottom, dimple right there, and then these arms are split. This arm is here, so when this folds down, the arms are gonna be perfectly spaced. So here's a X series header. This one has slightly different timing marks because there's 6 arms, not 7 arms. Here is your timing mark. It always is gonna be on the same side as where the pinion is inside the gearbox. So this gearbox has a gear on this side driving this gear. So that you can see kind of where that would be. That's the side where the timing mark should belong, no matter which wing assembly you're looking at. So on the bottom here, you can identify this is the side where the pinion is. There should be a timing mark right here in line with that side. Same for over here. It's a little hard to see because of the paint, but it's there. And then our outer wing is right here. This is on the right side. And go over here. Look at the timing marks like this are the same down at the bottom here. Down, once this is flipped down, it'll be on the bottom side. Match up to this. And same on the other side.